If you've been dreaming of moving to the popular Westpark neighborhood, this beautiful brick home with wonderful curb appeal is waiting for you. You love the charming open floor plan that makes time with family and friends a pleasure. The large family room has a brick corner fireplace with custom mantle, high ceiling with ceiling fan, and large windows with a lovely view of the backyard. The kitchen has lots of beautiful wood cabinets with white crown molding, long countertops, newer mostly stainless steel appliances, heated bar and pantry. The dining room is spacious and comfortable, just off the kitchen. The split floor plan features a large master suite with a tray ceiling and ceiling fan. The master bathroom has a long vanity with double sinks, separate shower and bathtub, private toilet, and large walk-in closet. The 2 additional bedrooms are both nice size with walk-in closets. There is a lovely patio with a covered pergola along the back of the house, and the yard is enclosed with a wood privacy fence. The backyard is perfect for outdoor grilling and entertaining. There's additional space with a nice size outdoor storage building. It's just down the street from the neighborhood playground, and there's a fishing pond nearby. It's minutes from shopping, OSU, and the hospital.